In this video, I'm giving you my Cash Express loan review. Is it fast cash or hidden trap? So, Cash Express is a short-term loan provider that markets itself as a quick and easy way to access emergency funds. The application process is simple. You can apply online or in store, and the approvals are often fast, sometimes within the same day. For people dealing with urgent expenses, that speed can feel like a lifesaver. The biggest advantage is convenience. You don't need a perfect credit score, and the paperwork is minimal compared to traditional banks. Cash Express also offers flexible repayment terms depending on the loan size and your income, which makes it accessible to a wide range of borrowers. But here's the catch: like many payday or fast cash lenders, the interest rates and fees can be extremely high. If you're unable to pay on time or repay on time, the cost can quickly snowball, leading to a cycle of debt. This is the main downside of something borrowers need to be very cautious about. But overall, Cash Express can be a useful short-term solution if you're in financial emergency and have a solid plan to repay quickly. But if you're looking for long-term financial relief, it may not be the best option.